Hey there, Lumos family. We're back again, and we're thrilled to introduce you to our newest helmet, the Lumos Nyxel. Nyxel combines smart visibility, advanced head protection, and sleek urban design to make Nyxel our safest, smartest, and dare we say, most stylish bike helmet we've ever made. With Nyxel, you're not just wearing a helmet, you're wearing a complete safety system. Beautifully integrated front and rear LED lights ensure 360-degree visibility, so you're seen from every angle, day or night. Turning left or right? Let everyone know. Activate turn signals with the press of a button. When you need to stop, automatic brake lights activate to warn others following behind. Nyxel comes with a USB-C rechargeable battery for long-lasting rides. With the Lumos app, you can easily check your helmet's battery life, customize the light settings to match your style, and sync your helmet with Lumos smart lights, including the Firefly and Firefly Mini. But it's not just about being seen. Nyxel features MIPS, offering advanced head protection for any unexpected falls. Nyxel comes in two versions: Nyxel, designed for cyclists, and Nyxel e-bike, designed for e-bike riders, or those who want greater protection for higher speed rides. It comes with a removable eye shield for added protection from wind and debris. Nyxel e-bike meets NTA 8776 certification, a top safety standard specifically designed for e-bike helmets. And in an industry first, we've partnered with the folks at Quin to offer a smart crash detection system that is a serious step above other attempts. Here's Ani from Quin to share their story.
Hey Kickstarter, my name is Ani and I'm the CEO and founder of Quin. Here at Quin, we're huge fans of the Lumos team and the innovation they bring to the cycling industry, which is why we're very excited to partner with Lumos to integrate Quin within the Nyxel helmet. We've developed smart sensor technology that not only detects impacts, but tells you the difference between small bumps and real accidents. The average crash happens in just 10 milliseconds, which is too fast for most sensors, watches, or wearables. But Quin takes 1,000 measurements a second, so we never miss a thing. And it's not all about crash detection. All that performance data on your rides can be accessed just for fun. Quin Plus members get full access to their ride analytics, making it easy to track your progress and enhance your rides. Quin crash detection, performance analytics, emergency response, MIPS, and Lumos technology all in one single helmet. This is the world's first, and you do not want to miss out.
We've always believed in making cycling safer, smarter, and better looking. Back us today, and let's make the smartest, safest, and most stylish helmet a reality. Ride smart, stay safe, look great. That's the Lumos Nyxel. Let's light up the road together.
Hey Kickstarter, we are so excited to be back with our fourth campaign. It's been 9 years since our first one, and we would not be here without you, our amazing backers. You have been with us every step of this journey, and we could not be more excited to be sharing Nyxel with you. With its sleek urban design, Nyxel is our best looking helmet yet. There's a whole range of creative and unique designs to choose from. They will only be available exclusively on this campaign, and you, the Kickstarter community, will get to vote on and choose which ones get made. We've always believed in inspiring people to move freely with confidence. Back us today and let's make the smartest, safest, most stylish helmet a reality.